Hello all, welcome to another video. In this video, we will see how to install MySQL in your PC. Let me open the browser and type MySQL installer for Windows or whatever the application that you use as OS in your PC and open the first link provided here. Here you would see two packages for MySQL provided in this link. The first link belongs to a web application and the second one belongs to a desktop application. So for installing, through both ways you can install MySQL. In the first one, you need to have an active internet connection to install MySQL in your PC. The second one is you have to download the application, and for installation and configuration, you need not to have internet. So the choice is yours. You can download anything. If you ask me, my personal choice is to download the web application. Your installation and configuration will be much simpler. In the next page, just click no thanks, just start a download. A file will be downloaded, just click on it for the further process. Hereby we are not going to choose the list of items whatever given, we are going to pick up the items only which whatever that is needed for us. So we will click on the custom option here. Once we choose custom, we have to select the latest version of MySQL server and the corresponding version of MySQL Workbench as well. Hereby MySQL Workbench will act as a IDE for us. So IDE means Integrated Development Environment, which is an external software which helps us to integrate this software with any other application, which means we are going to work on this database integrated with any other application that can be easily facilitated by any IDE. Likewise, for MySQL, we are going to use Workbench. We have selected these two applications. Now we need to click on next to choose the path where we are going to save all these files. There will be a default path selected by the PC. If you have any desired path, you can select that one as well. Now we can proceed to download these two packages. These two has been downloaded. Now we can proceed to install these two. These two files has been installed. Now it's time to configure as per our device. So we'll proceed for the configuration. This is going to be the device where we are going to develop our database and interact with that. So let it be the development computer. You can proceed to choose your password and enter your password. As you can see, this is a root password. So I request you to kindly remember the password, whatever you are giving here, or please note it down somewhere else. Since it's a root password, it is not that easy to reset just like any other password. So please save it because every time you need this password to open your application. When you click on next, your application will be installed, and now we are all set to work in MySQL Workbench. Let me open MySQL Workbench. Open it. This is the home page. Now let me open my local instance. Now we are all set to practice MySQL. We will practice MySQL topics in the forthcoming videos. Please stay tuned. In this video, we have seen how to install MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench. I hope this video is useful for you.